Hey guys, I got another video for you here. This one is about how to play 2-3 zone. Okay, and I know in the last video you didn't have defense, but I just wanted you to focus on the motion of how the offense ran in that man-to-man offense 41 is what we're calling it. So this one's called 2-3 zone, and we'll probably just call it 23 because that's just what we're gonna call it because it's just easy that way. It doesn't really matter if the other team knows what we're running or not. They still got to beat it. So anyhow, I want us to look at this first from the offensive standpoint. So we're the circles, of course, and this will be our point guard here with the ball, of course. So this will be our number 1. And then we put our 4 and our 5 down here at the post. If you remember from the last video, that's what we call this area, is the post. And then remember, this is the elbow. The elbow, the zone, or the lane is in here. Sorry, the lane is in here. Corner, the arc. Okay, and this is the top of the key. So if I use those terms, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I want my 2. I may call this the 2 and the 2 and the 3. Okay, those are the terms for the positions. Okay, I may call these 2 wings. If I do that, then that's what I'm talking about. The people on the outside of the court, the far left and the far right, these would be called the wing positions. So I want those guys below the foul line extended. Okay, so you got the free throw line here. If I extend that out in both directions, I want those players to be there, or even a little deeper wouldn't hurt. But starting off, foul line extended is fine. So in the zone, what they've got is they've got 2 guards, or a guard and a forward at the elbows, and they usually take the very biggest, tallest player and put them in the center of the lane. Okay, and then they'll put 2 players down low guarding our post players. Okay, that's what you call the people that play in that area, or post players. And so what we'll do is we'll move the ball here, and I want this player. What'll happen is this player. Sometimes they may play pretty close physical defense on this player, and then sometimes they may play off. I want us to go up, but I don't want us to ever commit past the 3-point line until they show us that they can really hit those. But I want this player to take the ball almost into the corner. And what usually happens at that point is these 2 guys have to decide if they're going to switch or not. Okay, if this guy comes, sorry, I've got the wrong one here. If this defender comes out, then there's a short amount of time that we can make this pass. If we can make that pass, that should be a free layup. All right. So let's just say that that doesn't happen. Okay, and this person follows them all the way down. Well, then I want our guard to step in here and make a little short elbow shot. We'll take that. We practice that shot in practice in our butterfly drill. So as the year goes on, we should get really good at hitting those elbow shots, and we'll take that shot. Okay. So also what happens here, if the ball goes to the corner, all right, this guard's going to kind of sneak in there, is this post player will flash high. And then what we want to do is try to look to hit that person. And then what will happen is these guys will then crash on the high post or the elbow player. And then we can make this pass for a layup. Okay? And then once that player gets the ball, and then this player will crash on the backside. And then if they're not open, and then we have this pass. And of course, this person would have to be responsible for that. All right, so I know that's a lot. Let me back up and walk you through the whole transition. And then I'm not going to move the defensive players right now. I'm just going to leave them still, just so you can see how the offense will move. All right, let me get my guard. Will generally come down the center of the court on this type of offense. And then when we make passes from here and we're trying to rotate it to the other side, those need to be really, really fast, because these guys are having to go, when the ball is here, notice where the guard's responsibilities are. This person is going to have to work all the way back to where this person is eventually. All right, so if I go boom, boom, real fast, then this guy's got to come from here all the way back to here, okay? And then this guy's got to run all the way back to here. And so then if I quickly reverse the ball again, then I've got this guy having to go all the way back to here. So it's real important that when we do reverse the ball to the other side of the court, that we do it really fast. Okay. So let's just walk through the offensive motion here. So we got the ball swings to the wing. As soon as that happens, this post will flash up. Okay. This player may stay home with the post. Okay. If they stay with the post, then that's fine. And then I want this guard to move on down here with the ball. And that should cause this post player to come out. If that happens, we should be looking here. Okay. And the center defensive player should come down. Okay. But if not, that's fine. But this wing, when they go to the corner, they're looking for this pass. They may get this pass. Okay. So they're looking in these two spots. And if nobody at all comes, then we can dribble in and shoot that corner shot. Okay, a little short corner shot. Okay, so if nothing's happening here, then the guard will come for a relief here. Okay, and then the guard will dribble 2 or 3 just real quick dribbles, make a good hard bounce pass to here. All right, this guy is going to fill back in. Okay, and then as the ball goes from here to here, this post will flash, and they will stay here until the ball is taken to the corner. Okay, and then the cool part is, after we've reversed it once, see this. Our post player, offensive player, is up here. Then if this person goes out, then they can flash down, and there was nobody there, so these guys probably didn't move. Okay, then you can make that, then we might get this pass. Okay, so we got this pass to make, and then if they converge here, then we can make this pass. And if they converge there, we get this guy step in here, and then we make this pass. Okay, so we'll just say that pass did not get made. And and the center X moved over to here. And this guy's probably going to slide over a little bit and play help defense, which is what they're supposed to do. Remember, we're helping each other, not just guarding one man at any time. Okay, then we're going to reverse it again. Ball's passed back out. A couple quick dribbles to about this point. Really quick reversal. This guy pops back out. Okay, this guy pops back out. Ball reversal. Then all these guys, remember, are all having to switch. They're all having to move this whole time. So the more that we move the ball from side to side with our 3 guards out on the outside, the more all of those 5 have to move. Okay. Okay. Now we've got one thing that I did do on this other side. Let me go back and show you that real quick. One more post move that I didn't show you. When this one went down, I had this guy up here. Okay, so when the ball dribbled to the corner, this guy goes down, and then this guy flashes high. That's usually one of these two will be open if this person is looking. All right, and they may try to these defensive players may try to take and double team this corner. Okay, or this person may have the corner trap, and this person's these guys are all covered. That's why this guard has to come maybe all the way over to the sideline to give that person a relief pass. Okay, and then we'll go back to the reversal now. Okay, so when the ball was passed from here to here, this person follows at the top. Okay, ball's passed to the wing out here, and they're going to dribble to the corner carefully. All right, they're going to get here with the ball, and then a lot of times I teach my guys, okay, when this person dribbles lower than about midway from the elbow to the post, but this guy was following, and then they're going to fall back. Okay, this guy's going to go out and then that leaves this guy to flash down. Hopefully he's open. Okay, and then this person would be falling over with them. This person's guarding here, and then this person's here, and this guy's probably in here somewhere. And then when this high post player, elbow player, falls to the post, and then we get this flash. So the outside players are just going back and forth around the arc. Okay, so the ball's going from here to here to the corner, and then back out to the point guard, back to the wing, and then the wing goes back to the corner, and then the point guard will be over here to get it, take a couple dribbles, pass it over, dribble to the corner. And that's all they're doing. Okay, and then the whole while they're doing that, these guys will start out both low, and then whenever the first pass is made to a side, okay, that's when the first one flashes up. Okay, and then the ball goes to the corner. Nothing can happen this first round because somebody's already here. And then when it passes, it comes and follows. Okay, and then when the pass is made on over here, this one follows over. The pass is good. The ball goes to the corner. Okay, this guard takes it to the corner, and then the ball goes to the low post, and then you get this flash up here. So you got two options over here. It really overloads this one side, And these defensive players really don't know how to. It's hard for them to guard everybody all at one time.